What's up? This is LMS Panama shooting live from a waterfall.
This is just one of the benefits coming to the rainforest here in Boquete, Panama. It's super cold. Lots of people fishing, fly fishing. There's lots of trout. It's a nice waterfall. Lots of mountains, as you can see. There's level.
And we're on a tour.
Yeah, we're on a tour. See, there's our van. This is our tour van, BoqueteMountainsSafari.com. You can go there. Ever want to come down to Panama? Might as well come over here, you know, get some tours. There's lots of life up on these mountains. Lots of life. Down the mountain there's a house on the tippy top, which I don't even know how they get down. And here's Lovell trying to commit suicide. Hey, let's walk down here for you guys so you can see what's going on. Do these rocks move? Pretty cool. Hey, I'm gonna give the camera to Lovell.
I'm almost getting there.
Alright, I am down in this little stream here. Nothing really here. But you gotta be careful stepping on these rocks because you never know what's under them. Oh shit! I just slipped off a rock. Here. These rocks are so wet. And my vans cannot take it. It's so damp and wet down here. You just slip everywhere. It's like ice skating. But this water is very cold. It's just like ice, except for there's no ice. So it's a scale 1 to 10. How cold is it?
7. Pretty cool.
7.
Pretty cool.
All right.
This has been LNS Panama. We're gonna make more videos. We're gonna be making more videos during the safari. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like it, subscribe, comment. We need some challenges. So bye.